Sanibonani and welcome to my YouTube channel. Right guys, uzama vele umthetho nje umbali. Uzama umthetho umbali kuyashisa njena kwadladla because they are trying to think njena. Sinabamangela ukuthi kanjani, how did uNtanzi nebantu bakhe manage to get to ezolweni without being recognized? Uyasho njena omncane ukuthi there's no way abantu laba ngabambonile intanzi and not do anything about it or say anything about it. So somehow they managed to enter baphinda baphuma without being seen. Yabona usanele ukushisela ikhanda manje because amaphoyisa athi there's nothing that they can do na bona they cannot unfreeze le mali. And somehow Untanzi get hold of that information from someone. I don't know, because we thought that Untanzi doesn't have people anymore from the inside. Yabo kodwa somehow Untanzi still have people that told him also magistrate said that nah, we're not gonna do something like that. As for my account being unfreezed, it's not possible. Untanzi yena uphuma namabhodlela bo-champagne laka-Serious Gabi and give it to Uzama to say mntanami kuthi sisendaweni ye-so doesn't mean that we should forget ngendlela i-life i-tester godi ngakhona. This is for you. Asajabule shem, sajabule Uzama uthi kodwa baba, if things are going this way, why are we celebrating? Uthi Untanzi yona ngokuthi uba uphezu kwa-something uphezu kwa-something ubaba, that's why nje si-celebrate kodwa kusho ukuthi nje akusakabi right time for Untanzi to talk about whatever it is that he's on to kumbe uyabo. So nje they're drinking champagne, hey nice and cause waze wayidakela koUzama, wayidakela uZama, went and called uSanele and asked uSanele ukuthi ithini indaba. Usanele uthi still working on it, uthi hey wena wangitshela manga ngazi ukuthi ngiyahlanya ngithi lo mfazi wakho ngizomshaya nge-bullet point and then ngeke uthole lutho. Usanele uthi uyazama, hawu sanibonani. So uMsibiya uthi yena bafana ababhizi, they are trying to search ukuthi ukephi kanti Untanzi. They are closing in, they've been closing in for weeks guys. Untanzi has nyamalala for weeks manje and bafana baSibiya they're still closing in, but the closing in is too much. And we must remember ukuthi uMbali is pregnant. Umbali is pregnant with Usanele's child, and like position like where I don't think it would be right for her to let Uzama know ukuthi there's this person inside the stomach, because Uzama hlobo akafuni lutho imhambele kahle kuMbali. Uthi Uzama kuMbali, wena ngihlukumezile wena. Hawu uphinda just sitting there listening uthi wena ungihlukumezile, ngoba uyazi ukuthi ungunyanya kanjani wena nale ndoda yakho Mkhovu. Hayibo indoda yami Mkhovu, uthi yebo indoda yakhe Mkhovu, uSanele phela Mkhovu, yeah ndithatha indoda yami naqeda lapho nathatha umntanami. Uphinde was sitting there listening when Uzama was saying that. I'm sure he realized something ukuthi hayi man, lana muntu muze ngathi rebound lana mos umuntu ngathi nedukwana ubambisile because umuntu akafuna ukuba nobuhlungu enhlitweni. Indoda yakho uphinde just sitting there uyabona mara ukuthi hayi man, ngibe asking ourselves ukuthi hayi bo kanti Uzama hlobo wamzonda kangaka uMbali. Uzama wamzonda so much, with so much hate yakhe for uMbali ichamuka le phansi le etinyaweni. That's how long the hate is towards uMbali from Uzama. It's because umthathela indoda yakho, kusho ukuthi uSanele was not supposed to come back, uBanele was supposed to stay. Kodwa remember that uBanele wahamba because he wanted to leave, because he said that he didn't know the kind of person that Uzama hlobo and family yakhe were. So mistake lena Uzama wayenza was allowing uSanele to come and live with them, and he had to experience firsthand because these people are taking money from the community people and they don't even care if these people have something to eat kwasebusuku. And he was like mhlobo webantu. Uzama said that labanye vele batulamba ukuthi thina sende njani sidle, wasimali handbag pho wathi yay, that's what is going to happen. uBanele was like I want to go back. So how is that Umbali's fault? How is behavior yakantanzi Mbali's fault? Because that's why Usanele left. He's the one who said, I'm leaving. Uwele akabuye. Uphinda saw that and he realized, hayi man, this is the reason why we took Umbali. And somehow maybe iplan yakhe uZamahlobo is not ukuthi Umbali abuyele back to Usanele. What if iplan yakhe is, even if they can get the money, she can do something too. Hey, Umbali tells Uphinda that, you know what, Uphinda musukushuka man. Yes, if you don't sugar, you don't have to go to the toilet. Hey, I need a toilet, man. I need a toilet. Umbali tells Uphinda ukuthi there's a baby inside. Uphinda yena ngizokukhulula, kodwa I don't want you to do something stupid that would cause me to take drastic measures. And knowing Uphinda, you know my drastic measures kusho ukuthini. Uthi Umbali yena, I wouldn't put myself in that position and umntanami. So umntanakho. Yes, and you're the first person to know. Uphinda wathi nya. You can see in his eyes ukuthi nje une-remorse nyana. What if Mom Faith is telling the truth? What if Mom Faith has been telling the truth all along, saying that Uphinda umntana olungile, Uphinda is a good child and umkhulise kahle? Maybe for the fact that he stayed with Untanzi for so long, Uphinda thought that that was the right thing to do. That was the right way to live a life, the way angakhona. He's an executor. They give him a plan and he makes sure that the plan is done correct and in time. Uphinda was so silent, guys. Uphinda was so silent thinking about the whole thing, a pregnancy. And he was like, okay, but don't do anything. Do not do anything. And I don't know what Uphinda is going to do with that information. Because if it was before, I think he would have told Uzama fast quick in the hair. But I don't know much because he's realizing a whole lot of things every day. He's realizing a whole lot of things each and every day ngozama and Nontanzi. If Yena would be right for him to tell them Umbali is pregnant, and what would Uzama do if she finds out that this one is going to have a baby and then the baby yakhe was taken away from her? Remember sihlungu leso Ntanzi thuku umntana kaZama ngakhona. And manje uZama akamblame nakancane uMpangazitha. Ublame bani? Umbali. Umbali is the cause of all that. Kodwa bekazomisa apha umntana spoke, you guys. Bekazomisa apha umntana spoke because that's what they called nomntwana loyana esiswini kaZama. Kama akadladla, they are busy searching. Usanele is taking all the maps he can find, drawing and taking everything. Remember when Usanele called Umbali, Umbali said that they drove for 2 hours. Gravel road. I think Usanele still has that in his mind to say, "Hi man, gravel road, 2 hours. We can find this place." They're trying to force him to eat with the young lambang. Also, Putong Dala, yeah, you need to eat. Otherwise, things over jail. Things over labo. He's like busy, like taking all his energy and putting it in there, trying to find Umbali. Mampela said they should call Ulungelo and tell Ulungelo ukuthi Umbali is missing. Kodwa Ubaba Dladla feels like it's gonna be too much for Ulungelo because Ulungelo is esikolweni. Why would they do it? Abayisolve again. You can tell him, Mama Dladla, no. Ngeke baba, ngeke ngiyamtshela Ulungelo. Ngiyamutshela Ulungelo ukuthi uZama Umbali is not yena. uZama is the one who did this and that. uZama calls Usanele, even though they know now from whoever is inside still working with Untanzi that a magistrate said no to unfreezing those accounts so that they can have access to their money. uZama calls Usanele to say, wemfana kaDladla, uyangazi ukuthi ngiyahlanya ngithi, uyazi ukuthi sometimes iyabamba kuqime kudubuke kuthi bhuf. Ngicela umtshela into ehambayo. And please don't lie to me. Hayi Usanele says, we are busy, sisebenza phezu kwayo, these things take days, yabo. It's not easy for njani. Hey, brazo, don't lie to me. do not lie to me. But usanele uzothini? Because vele the magistrate said no. And baphendule kudala and usibuya told them and Untanzi is telling the truth. But now if he says that yeah, but see, you guys are not gonna get that money, you're not gonna get that, you're not gonna get access to those accounts. What are they going to do? And usane knowing very well ukuthi uzama something is not working right la upstairs again. Can he say like for sure say yeah vele bathi imali no and hope that umbali would be safe with them? Ngeke phela vele he should say like we're on top of it, and on top of it naye angimati ukuthi is it because bona they want to give the ntanzisi imali to escape and make sure ukuthi ama-plans wabo ahamba according to the what or kanjani. If i-magistrate ithi angeke baze bakhona uku-unfreeze those account. And remember imali yakamagwaza bathi they're gonna help out and pay ama-fees for ubani uLungelo. So uLungelo usesikoleni knowing ukuthi ama-fees wakhe they are all taken care of. Should they decide to take the money yakamagwaza and pay untanzi ransom so that they can leave the country, what's going to happen to uLungelo nema-fees wakhe?